Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today we have another unboxing for you guys to check it out. This is a brand new Apple iPad Air 2. It's a glass digitizer touch screen. So as you can see right here, it is got a customer brought me this to repair. You can see it's all cracked. Guess the sun dropped it on the ground, and I look around the edges. I don't see any bend or dent. So yeah, it is pretty beat up. You got a dent right here. Wow, the glass is falling apart. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and then unbox this brand new digitizer for you guys to check it out. The box is kind of smashed, so hopefully the display is still intact. Wow, it came with a tool, because the seller did not put the tools in the picture, so I thought it didn't come with it. So it came with this SIM card ejection tool. In case you're it's a cellular. This one's the Wi-Fi only. Come with the suction cup, 2 of the guitar pick, 2 plastic prying tool, and then you got all this flathead, stars, Phillips, pentalobe, tips. Well, this one's come with a lot of screwdrivers, so let's go ahead and check out this digitizer. Roll up pretty nicely. So you want to match it up. Make sure you got the correct one. So unfortunately, this one does not come with the double-sided tape. Maybe that's why it's cheaper. So there's your flex cable connection right there. Your home button right here. And you don't want to remove the peels yet. You're going to open your old one and then test it out first before you remove it. And inside this screen, there's another plastic protective that you need to peel off once you got almost finished. And there's your camera hole right there. So yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. But be sure to stay tuned for the repair guide. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.